Oh yeah, I'm ready for it today. It's a beautiful Sunday here. It's wind's blowing, so it feels real cool. The temps have been real low in the mornings, but once it starts getting to midday, the sun comes out. But then you have that wind coming in, and it just feels so great. So that means it's time for another cook. That's what I'm gonna do today. I got the Bronco out. If you can see the top of it, but I already got it started going. I'm using B&B again. Planted my starter right in the middle, so it's just going to spread out from there from the middle. Since this is not going to be a long cook, I always put it in the middle. Compared to long cooks, I put it to the side, and then I'm going to add some post oak once I put my meat on. And what that meat is going to be, it's going to be some bone-in country style ribs. I love country style ribs, and it's just cut from the butt. Just cut into slices. Pretty much that's it. But with this one, it's bone-in. You can get them also boneless, however you prefer. So during the cook, probably towards the end, I'm not sure exactly when I'm gonna do this, but maybe when it starts to get the real good color, or when I temp it, which I'm gonna temp it towards like I said, I'm gonna probably temp the meat probably like in 2 hour mark, just to see where it's at. And once I see that it's pretty good, I want to put, I'm not sure all of them in a foil pan, but I'm gonna put in a foil pan. I'm gonna add some liquid, which is gonna be some beer, and put some barbecue sauce on it. Cover it with some foil paper. We're gonna get them tender, and then once I'm going good on that, we'll take them out of the pan, put them back onto the Bronco, let them kind of cook up a little bit, and then sauce them up. It's gonna be delicious. So let's stick around and let's get to it. All right. So the temp I'm going for, let's set it at for right now at 250, and I'll see what they look like at the 1 hour mark. And then if I feel that I need to go up higher, I'll go to 275 and we'll keep it there. But I'm gonna put some wood chunks, post oak, I'm only doing 3. You can do however you like, and then heat the diffuser plate. Get that set in. Cooking grate. Yeah. There it is. Hey, looking good. There's the bone in. Like that size. Now they're gonna come in all different shapes and sizes. Yeah. What do you think? Looks good or what? Should we start eating now? Yeah. All right, so I'll let it roll for about an hour, and I'll check it, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, looking good. It's been rolling at 255. All right, let's check it out. Oh yeah, looking good. I'm not gonna spritz it. Any of them, as you can tell, they're not dry at all. So I'm gonna let it roll like that for right now. And I might not even do it because I'm gonna be putting some of them, if not all of them, in the foil pan, So yeah, but this is what it looks like so far. Looking good. And I did forget to mention that I used Hardcore Carnivore's red all-purpose seasoning. Went with that. I really like the way it tastes, and it's also perfect for any pork. So I applied it onto these country style ribs. But let's close it up and let's continue on. Guess I'm out of beer. Let's see what they're looking like right now. Oh yeah, getting even nicer color, getting darker. It's looking good. Man. Nice texture. So let's check. So sitting at 140, 145, 47, 48. This is a thicker one. Let's check this one. 160. Yeah, see, so this is a lot smaller, so it's cooking obviously a lot faster. Check this one. Yeah. So we're almost getting there. I think I'm gonna let it roll for another hour, and then I'll temp them again, and then if I like what it is at where they're at, and then I'll put them in the pan and pour that beer, pour some barbecue sauce, and let it get tender in there while it cooks. So let's continue on. Check them out. Oh yeah, nice. Getting a bit darker. Let's check. Let's temp. Alright, so it's a big one, so still got some more to go. Yeah. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it roll for a bit more, and then I'll put them in the pan and sauce them up, with the beer. But yeah, so far so good. All right. So looking pretty good, right? Yeah. What do you think? That's nice, right? So let's put it in the pan. Yeah. Now I know not all are going to fit, right? So there's going to be some that are probably going to get left out. Man, beautiful looking. That Bronco. Well, actually, let's see. So you got that in there, right? So you got the beer. Pour all in there like that. Let's get the barbecue sauce. Just like that. All right. So I'm gonna go. Let's get these in there. Let's make it work. All right. I want to pour a little more beer in there. A little more barbecue sauce. Just like that. I'm going to transport it on to the Bronco. Alright. Cool. Wrap it up like that. And then we'll check it back in an hour and see where it's at. Yeah, I didn't run out of beer. I still got plenty of it left. But let's check it. They've been in the pan for about an hour and a half. So oh yeah, that. Man, they're looking good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let them go for a little bit more. I'm give them another 30 minutes. Yeah. So cover it back up. Yeah, just like that. All right, let's continue on and then get to the finish line. All right, I'm going to be as careful as I can. All right. Oh, man, if you could just smell, they smell good. Oh, man, they're really pulling apart. And that's what I want. So, let me just put them back. Just to firm up a little bit. I'll probably let it roll for maybe 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. We'll see. Let it ride like that. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna let it go, like I said, for another 30, maybe 45 minutes. Let it firm up just a bit. I'm telling you what, just feeling it feels good. Oh yeah. So I'll let it just firm up a little bit, which means I can just drink a little bit more. So let's close it up and let's get my drink on even more. Oh man, look at that color. We're done. Beautiful. I'm ready to eat. Oh yeah, they feel good. Real good. Oh yeah, oh this one, oh man, look at that. Just press into it. Just wants to break apart already. Oh man. Obviously I'm not gonna eat all of this, but I'm gonna save half of it for work tomorrow. It's gonna be a good lunch at work. Look at that. Just look at that. Just wants to break apart. All right, so I'm gonna take them off, let them rest for a bit, and then I'm gonna eat. I gotta say, today has been fun. It really has been, and I really enjoyed being out here and just cooking, just listening to the music from the past, and just, you know, drinking brew and just having a really good time. And I really did enjoy this cook because I was able to just relax, and that's what I always want to put in my videos, is that whenever you cook, just be relaxed, calm, and cook and just have a good time. Like with these right here, I mean, it's tender. It's just coming apart. Look at that. Easy. Just easy coming apart. I mean, man. Tell you, you know, they come from the pork butt, pork shoulder. They're cut into what is called country style ribs. So they're just cut, but they're still cooked in a way of like you're still cooking the whole pork shoulder, pork butt. You gotta, oh, I'm sorry. You still gotta take it up to the temp that's gonna be perfect. Especially whenever you do, when you are gonna put it in the pan, and you are gonna add some liquid to it, because you know you want to get it tender. I mean, this is breaking apart. That's what it does. Putting it into that pan with that beer, just bathe in that beer, bathe in that barbecue sauce. It's just gonna break apart. I've done it plenty of times where I've just smoked them the way that they are, and they come out perfect too. Just the way they are. But if you want to get them really tender, then do it this way. Get whatever pan you can use, add beer and barbecue sauce, stick them in there, and then let it cook. And then once it starts cooking, and if you're not so sure about it, yeah, tip it. You know, if you have a digital thermometer, you know, temp it, see where your meat's at. And once you remove it off the pan, put it back onto your grill or your smoker. Smoke it for about another hour and a half, depending on the tenderness of it. So get your probe, stick it into the meat, in and out. If it goes in like butter, then it's perfect. Then you're good. Let it rest for about 20 to 35 minutes, and you're good, and eat. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. It just breaks apart. Just breaks apart. All right. Getting cold out here. I'm ready to go inside. I'm gonna finish off some of this. Save the rest for lunch for when I'm at work. But close it off as always. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.